Hello, home cooks and food lovers. Today, we're making a truly comforting and incredibly simple creamy mushroom soup. It's perfect for a cozy evening, packed with flavor, and completely vegetarian. You'll be amazed at how easy it is to create this restaurant-quality dish right in your own kitchen. You'll need just a few fresh ingredients. Grab some mixed mushrooms for depth, a little onion and garlic for aromatic foundation, vegetable broth, and a touch of cream or plant-based milk for that luscious texture. A sprinkle of fresh herbs like thyme or parsley will elevate it beautifully. Start by sautéing your chopped onions until translucent, then add the garlic. Next, toss in your sliced mushrooms and cook them down until they release their moisture and turn golden brown. This step is crucial for developing rich flavor. Pour in your vegetable broth and let it simmer gently for about 10 minutes. This allows all those wonderful mushroom flavors to meld together. Finally, stir in your cream or plant-based alternative and heat through, but don't boil. Season generously with salt and pepper to taste. For an extra smooth soup, you can blend a portion of it before adding the cream. Serve hot, garnished with fresh herbs or a swirl of olive oil. It's a fantastic way to enjoy vegetables. See how simple that was? You've just made a delicious, wholesome mushroom soup from scratch. Don't be shy to experiment with different mushroom varieties next time. Happy cooking and enjoy every spoonful.